Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to allow suggest popular stickers by emoji on the Telegram app on your PC. This is a super useful feature that makes chatting more fun by instantly suggesting stickers based on the emojis you type. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A side menu will slide out with several options. From here, click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram works for you. After entering Settings, look for Chat Settings and click on it. This section controls everything related to your messaging experience, including themes, chat behavior, and sticker suggestions. Now scroll down a little until you find the option called Suggest Popular Stickers by Emoji. When you see it, simply toggle the switch to enable it. Once this option is turned on, Telegram will automatically suggest relevant stickers whenever you type an emoji in your chat.